Good morning. This is Astha Mishra. Subject Computer Science, Chapter 2 Computer and its Function. In the previous video, we discussed computer system, components of a computer system, IPO cycle, input devices, and touch screen and touchpad. Now, today we are going to discuss about processing device. Processing device name is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Like children, in our body, the brain has an important role to play. The activities that we perform are the result of the signals that we receive from our brain. Likewise, CPU is the brain of a computer, where it processes and stores the information, performs calculation, and sends the result to the output devices. It performs all the jobs that we want it to do. It also known as system unit. CPU has divided into three main parts. In this picture, see, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, memory unit. First is control unit. The control unit works like a traffic policeman and manage all the operations of a computer. Memory unit. This unit stores information temporarily or permanently according to our need. An arithmetic and logical unit. This unit performs all arithmetic calculations and logical operations. So these are three main parts of a CPU. Input devices we already discussed. Central processing and units, all three parts we have discussed. Now we will discuss output devices. Let us start. Output devices are those which the computer uses to display the information and result. There are many output devices like see the pictures: monitor, speaker, headphones, plotter, projector, printer, etc. Monitor. Monitor, commonly called as Visual Display Unit (VDU), is the main output device of a computer. It forms image from tiny dots called pixels that are arranged in a rectangular form. There are two kinds of monitor: cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display (LCD). Cathode ray tube, these monitors are heavy and take up a lot of disk space. LCD, liquid crystal display, these monitors are light in weight, use less power, and take up very little disk space. In your book, the fact box is given. The document printed on a paper is called a hard copy, and the document that is in the computer as a file, it is called a soft copy. Next output device, speakers. Speaker produce audible output. We use them to hear music or other sounds on our computer. They work in the same way as the speakers of the music system. Projector. It is a device used to project an image on a flat surface like computer screen. It is mainly used in presentations, seminars, and meetings. They are also used in schools. Printer. It is an important part of a computer system. It prints the output onto paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet, and laser printers. The dot matrix printer works like a typewriter and creates impression by striking on the paper. It is very noisy and least expensive. Dot matrix printers are not so popular nowadays. The inkjet printer spreads droplets of ink on paper to form text and graphics. It is deal for routine business work and personal documents. It can print in black as well as produce colored output. It produces high quality prints when used as special paper. Next, the laser printer. The laser uses laser beams and dry ink to print. It's mostly used in publishing house. It is very fast and gives high quality output. It works like a photocopier. Next, plotter. A plotter is an output device used for producing high quality drawing like maps, layout of a building, etc. It is used by engineer and architecture. Now we discuss software. Software is a term used to describe a computer program, which is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Software can be split into three categories. Is given there. C. Programming software, application software, and system software. Programming software is used by computer programmers to help in writing computer code. System software runs the computer. It has the instruction for using memory, video cards, keyboards, etc. Two common system softwares are operating systems, Windows 7 and Macintosh OS X. Application software. Application softwares are literally thousands of different software applications. A brief overview of some of the more common ones includes like Microsoft Office. The Microsoft Office is the combination of several programs which includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. Microsoft Word processing program that is used to type things such as letters, reports and newsletters. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that can be used to calculate numerical data, store data and make charts. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation program that is used to make slides of information and graphics. Children, next we will discuss web browser and Adobe Photoshop. Web browser, these programs allow user to navigate the internet. Some of the more common ones include Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netscape, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, etc. Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is a graphic editing program. The program is commonly used to enhance digital photos. It is part of the Adobe Creativity Suite applications. Photoshop is a less expensive version that is popular with home users. Now this chapter explanation part is completed. Let's recall. Input devices helps to enter information in the computer while output devices display the result of our work done on the computer. The keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, barcode reader and scanner are input devices while monitor and printer are output devices. The different groups of keys on the keyboard are typing keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys and the numeric keypad keys. Keyboard shortcuts help us to give commands to the computer quickly without having to use the mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that helps you to select objects and open files and folders. A joystick is a pointing device that helps you to move at different angles to change the direction of the device it is controlling. A scanner is an input device that converts paper image into digital or electronic image and then flashes them on the monitor. A printer gives printouts of our work on paper. There are mainly three kinds of printers: dot matrix, inkjet, and laser printers. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. It is classified into three categories: programming, system, and application software. That's all for today, children. Thank you. Have a good day.